Welcome to attending my NASSCO virtual class. You may be asking yourself, what happens after I register for my online class? You will receive email confirmation of registration, then you'll receive meeting invite from your trainer, and finally, you should register for class on Zoom. Let's take a look at the email invite you will receive from your trainer. The email invitation will list the Zoom meeting as your NASSCO online training class. The date listed is the first day of class. Remember, if your class meets for multiple days, only the first day will be listed on this invite. Next, the invitation will instruct you to register in advance for the meeting. You must pre-register to receive the login information and password to access the virtual classroom. To pre-register, click the link. Once you click the link, it will take you to the Zoom registration page. You will see the class details. Then it will ask you for your personal information. It includes your first and last name and email address. Make sure you use the same email you used when you registered for the class. This is very important to make sure you are allowed into the virtual classroom. The computer will ask you to confirm that you are not a robot. So make sure you click that and then hit register. Once you hit register, your screen will automatically open to the registration approved window. It will list all of the important information, including the name of the class, description of the class, dates that you will be meeting, but one of the most important things you need from this page is the meeting ID. Make sure you write down the meeting ID. You can use the meeting ID or the link provided at the bottom of the page to join the meeting. So it is very important to make note of the meeting ID just in case you can't find the email Zoom sent you or the registration confirmation. Now that we've registered, how do we actually join the meeting? We can do one of two things. We can click the link that was provided in the meeting registration approval, or we can use the meeting ID. Let's start by clicking the link. If you choose to click the link, a new window will open. It will ask you to open a Zoom meeting. Let's click that Open Zoom Meeting. A new small window will appear. It will tell you that you are waiting for the host to start the meeting. Once you are in this window, you can test your computer audio if you need to. Once the host starts the meeting, they will invite you to join and you will automatically be taken into the meeting. Let's say it's the day my class starts and I cannot find that registration approval, so I don't have access to the link. No problem. Remember that meeting ID that was so important? We can join our meeting using that meeting ID. When you log in to your computer, you want to go to zoom.us. It will open into the Zoom page. In the upper right-hand corner, it says Join a Meeting. You're going to click that Join a Meeting. That's where you will put in your meeting ID. So the meeting ID that we had was 365-907-390. Now we are going to be able to join our meeting. It told me my registration information. I'm going to click that I'm not a robot. I'm going to hit register again, and it will bring me right back up to my registration approval where I can click my link. We're going to open my Zoom meeting. And once again, I am in the waiting room waiting for my host to start the meeting.